In this video, we're going to focus on adding two-digit numbers. So let's start with the first example. What is 25 plus 43? To find that answer, let's add the first column of numbers. 5 plus 3 is 8. Next, we can add the next column of numbers. 2 plus 4 is 6. So 25 plus 43 is 68. Now let's move on to the next example. What is 52 plus 37? Well, let's add the first column of numbers. 2 plus 7 is 9. And then here we have 5 plus 3, which is 8. Therefore, 52 plus 37 is 89. What about 32 plus 43? Well, 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. Therefore, 32 plus 43 is 75. Finally, we have 24 plus 91. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus 9 is 11. So we get 115. So that's how you can add two-digit numbers without regrouping.